Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. here. Today we're going to be doing hummus crusted chicken, and we're also going to be doing a honey glazed carrots. So we've got our carrots here. We've got baby carrots. These will cook up really quick, and the way we're going to do this, the method that we've chosen to use is we're going to boil these in water really quick just to get them started to be tender because they're nice and crisp right now. We're only going to do it for a few minutes to leave some of the crunch on there, and then we're going to toss them in a saute pan with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and drizzle a little bit of honey over the top, and just kind of toss them around until they're nice and coated. And that's all we're going to do with those. We've got our chicken breast out here. We have some prepared hummus, a little bit of breadcrumbs, and a little salt and pepper. So the first thing we're going to do is season up our chicken breast. We've preheated our oven to 375 degrees to bake off our chicken once we get it seasoned and smeared with hummus and breadcrumbs. Okay, so now I'm going to take our hummus, and this is going to act as a flavoring and a binding agent for our breadcrumbs to stick to. Just kind of smear this around. Do it on both sides. This will be a little bit messy, but totally worth it. Alright, one down, got one to go. Over, kind of rub it in too. If you've already got one hand in the mix, you might as well. Make sure you get it coated all the way around. Take our breadcrumbs, start to sprinkle them over the top. These are going to brown up really nice in the oven, get nice and crispy. Same thing to the other side. Pat these down really good. Make sure we get them nice and coated. Shake off your excess. You can kind of dab it onto the other side. And then these are ready to hit the oven. We'll put those on the baking sheet, throw them in the oven, and we'll check them in just a few minutes. Alright, so now we are ready to glaze our carrots. We boiled them, drained them. I've got them hanging out here in the pan. I've got a little bit of olive oil in our pan. See just a little bit of smoke and a little bit of shimmer. That's how you know your oil is hot. I'm going to carefully add these to the water. They're going to pop a little bit because there's a little bit of moisture in them. You can pat them dry really well beforehand, and that'll reduce that. Give them a shake. And then now we're going to squirt our honey in over the top. If you don't have honey, you could use, you can really even use preserves. You could do peach, apple preserves, you could do orange marmalade, lots of different things here that you could use to glaze your carrots. They don't need too terribly long in the pan. We've already par-cooked them. Give them a little bit more honey. You should see a nice sheen over the top of these. That's how you know they're nice and glazed. Reduce the heat because it's just about done. Alright, and that's all there is to it.